In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo an action in ClickUp. If you've ever deleted something by mistake in ClickUp, don't worry. There are a couple of quick ways to get it back. I'll walk you through the immediate undo option and where to find the trash so you can restore items later. Start on the ClickUp homepage by using the left sidebar. From there, head into Spaces so you're looking at the area where your work lives. Find the item you're working with and open its options by clicking the three dots menu. This menu is where ClickUp keeps actions like edit, move, and delete. Choose Delete, and confirm when ClickUp asks you to proceed. Right after you delete, look for a small notification that appears on your screen with an undo button. That undo prompt is time limited, so if you click delete by accident, hit undo right away to instantly bring the item back exactly where it was. You can follow the same flow from a list view. Open the list that contains the task, use the three dots next to the task, and select delete. Again, watch for the undo prompt and click it before it disappears. This is the fastest way to reverse a mistake, and it works best if you notice the issue immediately. If you miss the undo prompt or you're coming back later, ClickUp keeps removed items in the trash. Open Trash from the sidebar or workspace settings. Inside Trash, use the search bar to quickly find what you deleted. Type the task name, list name, or keywords you remember. This is especially helpful if your workspace has a lot of items. Once you've located the deleted item, you'll see options to restore it. Restoring from trash effectively undoes the deletion and returns the item to its original location with its details intact. A few practical tips as you work. The three dots menu is your primary action hub. Whenever you're unsure, start there. The undo banner appears only for a short time, so make a habit of pausing after deletes to confirm everything looks right. Trash is your safety net if the prompt disappears, but availability can depend on workspace settings and retention policies. If something was permanently deleted or if it's been in trash past the retention window, it may no longer be recoverable. And that's it. Use the undo prompt right away for quick fixes and rely on trash and search when you need to recover items later.